Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting yourself and the space. Put on an N95 mask, goggles, and gloves, and lay a drop cloth. Start on an edge. Use a scraper at a low angle to lift loose paint, then switch to 80-120 grit sandpaper to feather edges. If many layers resist, apply a chemical stripper per label. Work in a ventilated area, because removing unstable paint prevents future failures. Once done, vacuum dust and wipe with a damp cloth to reveal a solid surface ready for patching. You now focus on repairing the substrate. Clear all dust with a vacuum and tack cloth so compounds bond. Mix and apply patching compound in thin layers, pressing into gaps. For wide cracks or holes, embed fiberglass tape first to reinforce the repair. Let each layer dry fully, then sand with 120-220 grit to feather edges and restore profile. Make sure transitions are smooth so primer and paint hide seams, and repeat thin fills rather than one thick coat for durability. You finish by priming all bare and repaired areas with a bonding primer. This promotes adhesion and seals the patch, so paint won't pull away. Once primer is dry, apply 2 coats of paint, maintaining a wet edge and proper drying time to avoid lap marks. If peeling returns, stop and inspect. Check for moisture, chalky surfaces, or incompatible previous coatings, then strip back to solid substrate and start again. That single troubleshooting step solves most recurring failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.